How to set up Discord for gaming, streaming, or community. Firstly, open the web browser on your device and go to discord.com. Log into your account and you will see an interface like this. You can either create a new server or use an existing one. To create a new server, click on this plus icon. Now you can select Create My Own or use any other templates. If you are making a gaming server, then it would be recommended to use the gaming template. If you are making this server for a club or community, then choose the option accordingly. After you do that, then there will be basic information that you'll need to provide. Once you provide those details, then simply hit on the create option to create a new server. Once the server is created for gaming or community, then click on the name of the server at the top. Now select the option Server Settings. On the left side, scroll down to the bottom and select the option Community Overview. If you click on Community Overview, then you will see the option Enable. I've already enabled mine, so there's no option as such. Once you enable community settings, you will be able to add rules to your server. If you add rules, then it becomes so much easier to manage the server for gaming, community, or streaming. That's all for today. Thank you.